Alright, what are we doing? Izzy, come turn around. What are we doing?
We're gonna explore. It's just a little pool. Oh, those cows or horse? We found cows! Okay, let's go. Oh, it smells horrible. The poop from the cows. It smells from here. It's not puddle. Big puddle.
Alright, dude. What are we doing here? Are we walking in the rain?
Yeah, to a bakery though.
Oh, what are we going to get at the bakery?
Hopefully donuts for lunch.
I don't know, it might even be better than donuts. And what are we going to be walking past now?
A castle.
A what?
A castle.
Let's see. Whoa, guys.
Guys, that's a church.
Okay, Izzy, turn around.
With dead people in it.
Okay, tell us what's behind you.
A graveyard with dead people in it.
And Matthew, what is that? That big building?
A church.
Epic, eh? The whole abbey and church and everything. Okay, carry on going.
It's a pretty shell.
What is it?
It's a snail.
That thing's made out of gelatin.
Yummy. Should we eat it?
No.
What are we going to do? Protect it?
Yeah.
No, let's kill it.
Okay.
No.
What did you guys get?
Donuts.
Donuts.
Pastries. Yummy.
Cinnamon rolls.
All sorts of yummy things?
Yes.
Yes.
And we got rules. Yummy, yummy.
Need to carry this.
Then I